In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Base44 to build AI apps. Building intelligent applications has never been easier thanks to Base44. Whether you're interested in developing an AI chatbot for customer support, a content generator for blogs or ads, a CRM assistant, a resume reviewer, a data analyzer dashboard, or even a study tutor app, Base44 has you covered. Once you've settled on a clear use case for your artificial intelligence application, it's time to dive in and bring your concept to life with Base44. First, you'll want to start by creating a new app in Base44. Head over to the Base44 website, and once there, look for the option to create a new app. It's typically straightforward, just a click away. Choose the Start with AI prompt option, which will set you off on the right track by aligning your development process with AI capabilities from the get-go. After selecting this, enter the idea for your app. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for what you want to accomplish with your application. Now here comes a vital part of the process, using an AI app prompt. This is where Base44 truly shines. Let's say, for example, you want to build an AI customer support chatbot app. You might want your app to do a few specific things. Answer user questions using AI, store conversation history, include an admin dashboard to view chats, allow for uploading FAQs as a knowledge base, and incorporate a secure login system. Base44 is designed to take these app prompts and, almost magically, build the underlying infrastructure for you. Automatically, it will create the user interface for your chat, connect to the necessary AI engine, build a database to store your conversations, integrate an admin panel, and set up the needed workflows. Once the groundwork of your app is in place, the next task is to add AI features, which are the core of any AI-based application. You can really enhance your application by introducing some powerful AI-driven actions. Consider adding features like AI text generation if you want your app to generate product descriptions based on the user's input. Alternatively, include an AI chat assistant that can answer questions by accessing a stored knowledge base. There's also the option to create a sophisticated dashboard where AI can analyze uploaded sales data and provide meaningful insights. Furthermore, integrating AI classification capabilities can provide even more advanced features if your app requires complex decision-making and data sorting. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use Base44 to create powerful and intuitive AI applications. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to developing apps that not only meet your needs, but also harness the full potential of AI technology. Thanks for watching, and happy app